Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on VLive app notification settings. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to be frequently updated about the channel of your stars that you follow on VLive, then you'll need to turn on the notification settings. To do that, tap open your VLive app and make sure to log into your account. Tap on the More button located at the bottom right-hand corner. And from the More page, tap the Settings or the Gear button at the upper right hand. Right under Push Notifications, tap on Push Notification Settings. Toggle on the button right next to Event Reminders in order to receive notifications about advertising events provided by VLive. Click on the OK button in order to agree to the terms and service. And that way, you can easily turn on VLive app notifications. You can also turn on notifications in a particular channel by tapping on Channel Settings and choose one of your channel. Enable the toggle button right next to Push Notifications, and that way, you'll be able to turn on notifications for the particular channel that you joined. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.